You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be solving a question on surface development of a frustum of a prism. You can see it is cut this way, and we have been told that the seam is AA, so meaning that we will be starting drawing from this way and develop this way, because our seam is here, so you can develop this way towards the right. So we'll start with the plan. So the distance across corner is 60, so you measure radius 30 on a compass. Just pick this point, 30. You have to be very careful so that you stay here now. You mark arc above and below. Stay on this other side, above and below. Now you join. To get your hexagon. This is what we are doing now, is drawing the plan of the hexagon. So we are done with that, so we can now draw perpendicular line, vertical line from the corners. So let us draw a horizontal line for the base. We can put it somewhere here. Let it be as close as possible to the plan. Now you measure the height. This angle is 30 degrees. So you measure the height. Total height is 50. Measure 50. This is 50, and this one, the point of cutting is at 30. It is here. These are 30 here. So you can now use your 30 degrees set square to do this. That's the cutting plane. And put your vertical height, the total height at this point. So the cutting plane is cutting it at this point. So it's not cutting by the side. So be very careful of that. You have to make this place thick continuous line, because all these points are edges. So, and the edges has to be in thick continuous line. Like that. So that is our prism. So the next thing now is to develop it. Extend the base and mark this side 6 times. Can we have 6 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's entering into this side again. Just do it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So you draw vertical line from all those points, vertical line, this, 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 this. The reason why we have divided into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is because our hexagon has 6 sides, so we have to have 6 here. Now let us take the top. That's to the end. Now our seam is here. Don't forget, write it A, and that means you are starting your number from here. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this place will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Now 1, 1 will be from here. This is 1 here, and this is 1 here. Now the next one is 2. We have 2 and 6 here. All these 2 points, we don't need to do anything there because we did not cut them, so we leave them the way they are. So you go to 2 and 6 like this. This is 2 here, and this is 6 here. So after this, now there's also a point here that is this edge. You have to create a point for it on the plan like this. Let's say this point is 5 prime and this one is 3 prime. If it is 3 prime, now you come to this place, you are doing 3, you either do 3 to 3 prime, or you come here and do 2 to 3 prime. If you do 2 to 3 prime, that is 2 moving towards 3. You come to here, this is 2 moving towards 3. This is where you put it. You place it on this side. So that's what we do now. So 2 towards 3 like this, and it will be the same thing here. That is 6 towards 5. 6 towards 5. You come here like this. 6 towards 5. Again, we did 2 towards 3, so you put it on 2 towards 3. Similarly, 6 towards 5. You put it on 6 towards 5. Now the next thing is you will now draw a vertical line at those 2 points. This one and this one. So that's where you now have this point here. This is point 2 prime, no 3 prime, and this one is point 5 prime. 5 prime. So this is 1, 1, 2, and 6. Yeah, so you now join from 1 to 2. It goes from 1 to 2 like this. 1 to 2, then 2 to 3 prime. 2 to 3 prime like this. It goes up at the top because it is at the top that is meeting it. The same thing here, 1 to 6, you can see 1 to 6, then 6 to 5 prime. This is 1 to 6, then 6 to 5 prime, like this. So the whole of this part will be drawn in straight line because you did not cut this portion at all. So you now make all the edges thick lines. Make all the edges thick lines. This point you don't need to make it thick line because there is no edge along this point, so you can't make this one thick line. It is 5 that we have thick line. 4 thick line, 3 thick line. At 3 prime there's no edge there, so you won't make it thick line. 2 thick line, there's an edge. You can see this is 2, there's an edge there. And the base, you connect the base with thick continuous line. So that is the development of the given frustum of a prism, frustum of an hexagonal prism. Thank you very much. Like this video if you have enjoyed it, share it and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.